Hey guys, today I have the 2013 Lexus RX 350. The RX 350 is a luxury mid-size SUV. For the year 2014, the RX 350 ranked number 2 out of 19 luxury mid-size SUV by the US News and World Report, and is ranked number 1 in luxury SUV with 2 rows. The 2013 Lexus RX 350 sits 5 people and is available in a single trim level. The exterior features standard equipment includes 18-inch alloy wheels, automatic HID headlamps, fog lamps, LED running light, rear privacy glass, heated mirror, a power liftgate, keyless smart key access, and many more. This RX 350 model is a front-wheel drive featuring satin cashmere metallic exterior color, side view mirrors with integrated turn signal light, 19-inch alloy wheels. The RX 350 went from 0 to 60 mph in 7.1 seconds, which is an average for its class. Here is a closer look at the LED daytime running light. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the handle to unlock. Push button ignition. Put your foot on the brake. Press it to start. As you leave the car, it also beeps 0 times, letting you know that it have lost detection of the key fob. Under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 that produces 270 horsepower and 248 pound-feet of torque, a 6-speed automatic transmission, and a front-wheel drive. EPA estimated fuel economy 18 miles per gallon city and 25 highway, 21 miles per gallon combined. The interior features parchment leather espresso and bird's eye maple wood trim, 3-position memory seating, and all 4 windows are fully automatic. Ten-way power adjustable, including lumbar, as well as heated and ventilated front seats. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather and 3-section wood trim for easier grip. Also, in the middle of the steering wheel is the beautiful silver accenting with multi-function buttons side by side. Cup holder for the driver. Steering wheel also feature power tilt and telescopic steering column. Two cup holder for passenger and driver. Glove box compartment. Center storage compartment with USB iPod connectivity and auxiliary output. One touch open, close and tilt moonroof. The display screen is designed to sit high and deep into the dashboard to allow convenient viewing. This particular model features Lexus 12-speaker premium sound system with single feed 6 CD player changer.
We'll be shooting stars just passing by. You'll be coming home with me tonight, and we'll be burning out like neon lights. Baby, when they look up at the sky, we'll be shooting stars just passing by. You'll be coming home with me tonight.
Center console gearbox, dual climate control, remote touch system, which is essentially a mouse-like device that allows the user to move among a variety of icons on a large, centrally located screen. The RX350 interior features nothing but luxurious that greets you at every corner of the vehicle. Rear armrest features 2 cup holder and storage compartment. Here is the personal view of the elegant and luxury front dash from the rear seat. The tailgate can be easily opened via the key fob by pressing down the liftgate opener button for about 5 seconds. Behind the rear seat is the massive cargo space of 40 cubic feet. Even more, the rear seats can be easily folded by the lever located on each side of the trunk with 60-40 split. With both rear seats folded down, there will be a huge 80.3 cubic feet of cargo space. In the rear seat, there is plenty of headroom and legroom, 37.7 inch of headroom and 36.8 inch of legroom. For the front, there is 39 inch of headroom and 43.1 of legroom. Very spacious. One touch button to close the tailgate.